about. It's about sharing. Sharing is caring. So yummy.
It has to be about sharing. It has to be about bringing people around the table to create community, to share conversation. How succulent they look!
It ain't the good life if you're not sharing with your friends. I made it in a compassionate way.
Smoker is old, it got bent out of shape. I have to put a pot on it. We all make mistakes in the kitchen. Incredibile. Let's add the mushrooms. It's getting smoky. Coats the back of a wooden spoon. We're gonna milk it for all we can. This is the Vegan Good Life with Miyoko. If this isn't the good life, I don't know what is.